Hello everyone, my name is Akaya. I hope all is well. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my Freetress beach curl install. This install was actually inspired by Lia Lavon. I had a client send me a picture of her picture, and I also had a client send me a picture. She sent me a link to her video. So I checked it out and I was like, okay, yeah, I like this. Let's go ahead and try this hair. I have tried this hair once before. I could truly say I love it. It was really, really easy to work with. I wound up using 3.5 packs. Very easy. I really like the texture also. I am going to show you guys how I done it. If you are looking for someone to be able to do your hair, I would love to do your hair. I am located in the Dallas, Georgia area, Metro Atlanta. If you want to be able to contact me, I'll put all my information in the video description box. But again, just wanted to show you this beautiful hair, and also wanted to thank Leah for letting us see this beautiful hair as well, because I totally forgot about it. I used to use it long time ago, but like I said, a client seen her hairstyle and was like, oh my God, I want it. So that is what we did. So keep on, continue to watch, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to go ahead and do the install. And guys, right now, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like. I would be greatly appreciated. That is how all my videos are able to be seen. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed. And if you have tried this hair before, leave it in the comments. How did you like it? Okay. And it's really easy to take care of. What I would do is just use some weave spray. The type of weave spray that is more of a liquid form, not oil, because you don't want it to be looking really oily or anything like that, because this hair does not take much. But you most definitely want to make sure that you keep your headscarf on and start from the ends to the root with your fingers if it gets all tangly or anything. But again, keep watching. Any questions, put in the comments, okay?
wrong with him? That's the thing. There's nothing wrong with him. I just don't think I love him like that.